Let me show you how to download video using your iPhone, and also how to download video on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even YouTube using your iPhone. Please stop. If this is your first time to be on my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome and God bless you. Please, to show me love, just like, you comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any worry or any difficulties you're facing, drop it at the comment section. I will be right there for you. Thank you. Let's go. Okay, now let's look for our App Store. Let's go to App Store. This is my App Store. I click on App Store. I'll open my App Store. Now I have to search for an app called the Manager. So I type the Manager. The and Manager. Okay, this is it. And if you look down, this is the Manager. I already have the app in my phone, and this one, not this one down, this one with the white. Okay, if I open it, you see I have YouTube, Facebook. Okay, let's download Instagram. Let's have access how to download videos on Instagram using the Manager. Okay, now I will search on this bar. They say enter the website name. All right, I'm going to enter the website name, Instagram. This is my Instagram. I will click on Instagram. Okay, here they say get the Instagram app, log in, sign up. I already have an Instagram account, so I'm going to use my account to sign in. Okay, now my Instagram is loading. Okay, you see now they're already telling me that download. Okay, let me take this one. Download. Yes. Okay, let's go down a bit. I'll take this one again. Download. Yes. Okay, any video on Instagram, they just give me that possibility to download. Okay, let me search for another video that I want to download. Something like it football. Okay, like this football. This is Messi. Let me do download. Okay, okay, now download. Okay, now I will just go to the bar, the Manager. This bar that is showing down here, you see all what is downloading. The first one, but I'm going to stop them. I'm going to stop these two. Okay, now it's the football. Oh, let it download. Okay, it's done now. It's playing. This is it playing. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to share, and to motivate me more, please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace and love.